The COO or Chief Operations Officer is among the top-ranking executive positions and also part of the C-suite in an organization. While this differs from organization to organization, a basic corporate hierarchy structure goes something like this. It begins with executives who work in a team under a manager. This manager is one among many others from different departments. Above the managers come the directors of the different departments. The vice presidents are in charge of those directors. After that comes the other C-suite executives who all report to the CEO. And finally the board of directors. Often second in command after the CEO, this position is more common at companies that have heavy operational activities such as manufacturing companies or transport service companies such as the airlines. The responsibilities of a COO vary depending on the needs of the industry as well as the company. Typically a COO is responsible for day-to-day operations of the company, implementing processes, developing and implementing operational and business strategies, leading change initiatives, executing the directives of the CEO, executing and maintaining policies and company culture, building core teams, setting and achieving company goals for growth, evaluating employee and company performance. Since a COO's job description is largely based on their CEO's role in the company, most COOs are hired to complement the CEO's skill set. That means that there are various kinds of COOs. Some COOs are meant to help implement the CEO's vision. Some are appointed to help the CEO be more effective in their own role. COOs are also appointed with the specific directive to eventually take the CEO's place. Other COOs are brought in to mentor a younger CEO founder who might not have the experience required for the job. A COO is expected to have skills such as exceptional leadership and communication skills, an understanding of basic business functions like human resources, finance, sales, marketing, etc., strategic planning and business development skills, an understanding and knowledge of data analysis, exceptional decision-making and problem-solving skills. Whatever the role of a COO, it is certain that the COO and the CEO must work well together. A great CEO-COO duo can achieve everything they set out to do.